Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to get proof of balance on the ANC app, perfect for loans, rental applications, or personal records. First, open the ANC app or log in to your online banking account. Go to the View Statements section. Select the bank account you want and click Download next to the statement. Your statement will open as a PDF. Save it to your device. These serve as your proof of balance. And that's it. You now have your ANC proof of balance ready. And that's how to get proof of balance on the ANC app. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.